Events like this event tonight are so important. We didn't have events like this when I was young. You know, I would have killed to be at an event like this.
The aim of the Foot in the Door programme and events like this is to raise awareness of careers, opportunities in the creative arts and in film and TV specifically. We're really proud to bring this to Swansea because we think that there's loads of amazing Indigenous talent here in the community.
Swansea is a lovely, nice place to live in because the people are lovely. It's full of rich culture, Swansea. It's multicultural. Gives you a sense of peace and safe environment for you to nurture your talents.
Okay, the thing that I'm taking away is that everyone is able to achieve your dreams, if that makes sense. Like, everyone has the opportunity to be in these roles if you are really interested in the creative industry.
Swansea is massively creative. We've got such a wealth of talent here, and it's so nice to be able to work in the city and spread the word about creative opportunities and just come together and share our knowledge and skills with everyone else about creative roles. It's been a really fab night.
I really hope that people take away from this evening that a job in the creative industries is attainable, it's doable, that you can do it from Swansea, that you can be from Swansea, that you don't have to go to a special school or anything, that there are lots of entrance points, lots of ways in.
I believe that these events are very positive for the local community because it can encourage community engagement within the creative arts of the residents that are within this area. So I think it just fosters that community feeling.
I hope people leave tonight's event feeling really proud to be from Swansea and really proud to be part of the creative industries here and inspired maybe to pursue a career in film and TV in Swansea.
I know it's hard to get your foot in the door in the TV industry, and it seems sometimes like the door keeps closing on you, but I would hope that anybody that came tonight would feel that they have got the bit of strength of perseverance to keep going and that they won't give up and they would keep trying.
So the key takeaway from today is literally just work hard, work at it, keep going. I just didn't realise there was so many different roles in the film industry. So yes, for anybody who is going into the creative industry, there's definitely something out there for somebody.